Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of chicken dishes that will tantalize your taste buds and bring a burst of flavor to your dinner table. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, I promise you'll find something to inspire your next meal. Let's get cooking. First up, let's talk about the mouth-watering mango habanero chicken. This dish is a vibrant fusion of sweet and spicy, originating from the Caribbean. To make this delightful dish, you'll need boneless chicken thighs, ripe mangoes, fresh habanero peppers, garlic, lime juice, and a touch of honey for that perfect balance. Start by marinating the chicken in a blend of lime juice, minced garlic, and diced habaneros for at least an hour. This allows the flavors to penetrate the meat beautifully. Once marinated, grill or bake the chicken until it's cooked through and has a lovely char. Serve it with a mango salsa for an extra kick of freshness. Next, let's explore the beloved Peruvian chicken, or pollo a la brasa. This dish is famous for its incredible flavor, thanks to a marinade that includes garlic, cumin, paprika, and vinegar. To prepare, mix these ingredients with olive oil and coat your chicken thoroughly. Let it marinate for a few hours, or even overnight for maximum flavor. Roast the chicken in the oven or on a rotisserie until the skin is crispy and golden brown. Traditionally, it's served with a side of green sauce made from cilantro, jalapenos, and lime juice, which adds a zesty touch that perfectly complements the savory chicken. Now, let's move on to barbecue chicken, a classic that's loved by many. This dish has roots in various cultures, but it's particularly popular in the southern United States. For a simple yet delicious barbecue chicken, you'll need chicken pieces, your favorite barbecue sauce, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Start by seasoning the chicken with salt and pepper, then grill it over medium heat. Brush on the barbecue sauce during the last few minutes of cooking to create a sticky, caramelized glaze. Serve it with coleslaw and cornbread for a true southern feast. Next, we have jerk chicken, a dish that hails from Jamaica and is known for its bold flavors. The key to jerk chicken is the marinade, which typically includes ingredients like allspice, thyme, scallions, garlic, and Scotch bonnet peppers. To prepare, blend these ingredients into a paste and rub it generously over your chicken. Allow it to marinate for at least a few hours, or overnight if you can. Grill the chicken over high heat to achieve that signature smoky flavor. Serve it with rice and peas for a complete meal that's sure to impress. Finally, let's not forget about French fried chicken, Jamaican style. This dish combines the crispy goodness of fried chicken with the vibrant spices of Jamaican cuisine. For this recipe, you'll need chicken pieces, flour, and a mix of spices such as paprika, garlic powder, and cayenne pepper. Season the flour with these spices, then dredge the chicken pieces in the mixture. Heat oil in a deep pan and fry the chicken until it's golden brown and cooked through. The result is a crunchy exterior with juicy, flavorful meat inside. Pair it with a side of festival, sweet fried dumplings for a delightful twist. Thank you for joining me on this flavorful journey through these incredible chicken dishes. I hope you feel inspired to try your hand at one or all of these recipes. Remember, cooking is all about experimenting and having fun in the kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, please consider following or subscribing for more delicious recipes and culinary tips. Happy cooking, and see you next time.